Bartley, thank you so much for being our patient. I'm really excited that we're done with all of your treatment right now. Do you like the way it looks?
It's great.
Awesome. Hey, if we've met your expectations, could you do me a personal favor?
Yeah.
I'm trying really hard to get a presence online in the form of reviews. Would you be willing to leave me a review and let the world know how the treatment went for you?
I'd love to.
Awesome.
Bartley, thank you so much for coming in. We just love it when you come around.
Thank you.
You're seriously one of my favorite patients.
Thanks so much.
And you've been coming for such a long time. Would you mind writing a review for us online?
Of course.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
I can just send you a text message right now and you could fill it out on your phone while you wait for the doctor to come in.
Perfect.
Because if I can get more patients like you in the office, I will be a happy camper. Okay, what's your phone number?
760-843-7853.
Okay, it's sent, so you should be getting a text message.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay, just hit that link right there,
Okay.
and then it'll just walk you through it real simple. Let me know if you have any questions, but it's very self-explanatory.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, and the doctor will be right in.
Thank you so much.
Okay, uh-huh.